cowgirl capital of the nation right here. Let's see if we can find us some cow chicks. First stop along the road is going to be none other than let's get some Laramie. Bond's Brewing, great place to come down and have a cold one in Laramie, Wyoming. Forget about the world's troubles out here in Wyoming. This is an absolute fantastic beer that I chose right here from Bond's Brewing. It's a summer shandy, but they infuse it with strictly like lemonade, lemon juice lemonade, as opposed to, you know, just whatever Lennon Kugel puts in their summer shandies. This could give Lennon Kugel a run for their money. That's for dang sure. So, good find. And it's not regulated. Come in, order a beer, sit wherever you want. I wish I could tell you what's going on, but I have no idea. But what it looks like is it's pulling some of the rye and wheats from these certain places, moving it around. Maybe this is a fully automated brewing system. I don't know anything about brewing in modern day. Oh, there they are down there. Oh, never mind, that's tourists. That's pretty sick. Maybe they're just demonstrating for the tourists. Staying here at what they call the Luxury Inn. It's pretty luxurious if you ask me. Check this out. The curtains don't even really come apart, but there's your oceanic view outside. Yeah. But kind of impressed me. Wooden floors. I'm not sure if I have seen wooden floors like this in a hotel.
Come on, baby, it ain't so good. Well, there's a few more things I wanted to document in Cheyenne, but I decided just to, you know, leave the camera alone and just kind of check it out. So I didn't fully document the whole vlog that I wanted to here. But it's all right. Nonetheless, I hope you enjoyed the video. Wyoming's just one of those states where you just feel like you can relax a little from the hustle and bustle of the world when you enter Wyoming. You know, especially living in the Denver area lately. I like Denver a lot, but it's kind of gotten to me with all the craziness lately, so it's good for me to get out. You know, I go to Nebraska all the time, so this is a switch up of scenery, and that's what I need every now and then. Thanks for watching the video, y'all. Hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and keep notified for more future unprofessional entertainment from yours truly, J3. Catch you on the next. Peace.